In this video, we'll learn the vocabulary for Psalm 1, 1 through 3 devotion. First we have to, as in from this verse to this verse, to. The colon. Big, cha. Success, pa. Busy, the lexicalized version, B-U-S-Y. Busy. You could add more flair to that too, busy. But, wow, wow. Number 1. Number 3. Action, or like your actions, what you're doing. The sign all day with an open hand, all day. Can. You have all night or overnight. Amen. Apply, like how you can apply something to your life. Apply. Awesome, or you can do it with 2 hands. Awesome, like double awesome. Bible. Bless, or a blessing. So you start from here. I generally go out to my left. Bless. Bless. To brush your teeth. Can. Can't. To close. Or I'm sorry, close. This is the sign to close too, a bonus one. Close. Close. To be close to someone. Day is generally signed with a number 1, hand shape. Day versus all day. To decide. Decide. Deep, like not just the surface, but below that, deep. To discuss. Explain. This can also be describe. Explain. Family. Family. First. Follow. Follow. Fruit. Fruit. God. A group, like a unit, a group. To grow. It's going to be growing. Hard. Hard. Healthy. Healthy. Help. You can help me. I can help you. God can help me. How. This can be the sign for like an idea. This can also be used sometimes for like imagine. Imagine that. Imagine. But you'll also see like this one for imagine, like a whole scene unfolding right here, or imagine this way as well. But for this one I chose imagine. 2, inform, or to let you know. My hand's like a squished O. To inform or let you know. Itself, or itself. This can be himself, herself, itself. Jesus. To join, like this is joining. To know something, or to know. Later. Leaves. Make, or make. Make, or make. Me, or I, just with your finger. Me. Mean, what's the meaning? What does it mean? The morning, so putting your hand down, your non-dominant hand, down to your elbow and pulling your dominant hand up. Imagine the horizon line and it's coming up. Myself. Need, usually has this morpheme, E, need. New. No. And then this is think, touch. And going in a circular fashion means that it's continuous, that it's continuing. So this can be used depending on the context, like for obsess, because you keep thinking about something, but it can also be used in a positive way for meditating. You think and you keep dwelling on it. to dwell on something, to meditate on it, to think about it and think about it and think about it. Opportunity, so from an O to a P, opportunity. People, perfect, it can be like, oh, great, perfect. Person, or it can be initialized with P as person. To pray, to produce, to like cause, to like come out of you, coming out of you, it produces. Promise, promise. This assigns song, so if you add it with a P, it's psalm, the Psalms, or a psalm. Quote, read, or you can be reading and reading and reading because it's going in a circle. To realize, realize. Recent or recently. Relationship to God, or like referring to God's relationship with me. He wants a relationship with me. Your roots, like a tree roots, like the roots are growing down into the ground. Sad. Same, or same. Or I can be same as God. I want to think the same way God does. I want the same heart for other people God does. To satisfy. Say, or he said. School. School. To see. Doing it more with a K. See. Oh, I see everything. I could look at something. These are like my eyes. I see. Set up. So this is like, it's put here, or it's like, this is the area where it's at. I can use this almost as a classifier sometimes. Like the tree is going to be set up right here. This is where the river is. And then right here is the tree. Right there. So this can be set up or established, or like putting something in a certain place in your signing space. Short. Short. Simple. Simple. Sin. Sin. Sit or sit down. It can be a circular motion, sitting and sitting and sitting. Still, like continuing on, still. Study. Study. Thank you. That. So like referring to, oh, it's that. That's what I was referring to, like all that I just described. That. That's it. Themselves, or themselves. To think, or think about it, or ponder it, think it over. Today. Twice. Today. Tree. Tree. Verse. Like a verse in the Bible right here, just this little section. Wake up. Wake up is also the sign for surprise. Want. And your clawed hand stays the same. Want. Water. But this can also be water and then showing the movement. This can be like a river or a stream or any water. The lexicalized D-O-D-O, what do you want to do? What are you doing? What? Notice my hands still stay in the same shape, going inward. What? Will. Work. Work. Twice usually. World. World. Wrong. Yes. You and yourself.